Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Begin by reading the product label and warnings carefully before use. Check for allergies and avoid use if you have irritated gums or open sores in your mouth. Measure 1/4 teaspoon, 0.25 tsp of powder onto a clean surface or lid for each application. Use a soft toothbrush only. Keep the powder away from children and never swallow the product. Dip your dry, soft toothbrush into the measured powder so bristles pick up the product. Brush teeth with gentle circular strokes and avoid aggressive pressure on gums. Maintain brushing for 2 minutes targeting visible tooth surfaces and stains, not the gums. If the powder becomes messy, tap excess back into the container carefully. Spit out residue and do not swallow the powder. After brushing, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water until all grit and powder are removed. Wait 30 minutes before eating or drinking to let the surface settle and avoid re-exposure to acids. Limit applications to 3 times per week and monitor tooth sensitivity closely over the first 2 weeks. If you experience prolonged irritation, stop use immediately and consult a dentist for guidance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.